tape it, and make it. Hello everyone and welcome to Kintex. I wanted to give you a few tips on how you can improve the durability of our tapes. What should you keep in mind? What should you not do? Here is a short overview. First of all, the skin should be optimally prepared. The following applies here. Remove the hair, preferably by shaving. If there is little hair, it is also possible to tape on the hair, but it is always recommended to remove the hair. Secondly, the skin should not be pre-treated, neither with cream nor with oil, massage oil, or similar. Dry skin, on which our tape adheres best. If necessary, clean with soap, generally clean with soap, let it dry well before applying the tapes. Point 3, certainly one of the most important points, make sure that you round off the corners of the tapes, because these are exactly the places that will otherwise come off first. Another important point, please do not peel into the adhesive surface, but tape directly onto the skin. Here it is worthwhile to tear the tape in the middle, not to reach into it, and the stretching makes the backing paper come off. You can grip it without touching the adhesive surface. Our wave-like applied adhesive reacts to heat. Therefore, please apply the tapes right after the backing paper comes off. Here it is always recommended to apply the tape from the inside out, not from the outside in. The more you tape, the higher the adhesive strength. Another note for athletes, you should apply the tape about 2 to 3 hours before your sporting activity so that the adhesive can develop its maximum adhesive power. Watch out after taping. Be careful when putting on clothes. The tape could come off. Kintex tape is waterproof. However, after swimming, bathing, or showering, it is recommended to blow dry the tape briefly. To remove the tape, it is advisable to make it wet. It is then easier to remove than when it is dry. Please remember, kinesiology taping should be used in conjunction with a successful diagnosis. And now, it only remains for me to say, have fun watching our videos and stay painless.